Hello players, with all the focus by Oculus on mobile VR at the moment, have they abandoned the Rift S in favour of the Quest? Throughout 2019, the Quest was all Oculus could talk about, and it got some pretty cool new features like hand or finger tracking and the Oculus Link cable. Both of these are killer features, while the Rift S got no features. No feature updates. And many have been saying that the link cable makes the S redundant because you can now connect the Quest to a PC. While the Rift still does have some advantages over the Quest, I made a video about that up here. But why does it feel like development has stalled for PC VR hardware from Oculus, while Valve is still pushing out high-end PC VR with the Index? And of course there are a bunch of Windows mixed reality headsets as well. But the answer is really simple. It's follow the money. Oculus have sold a ton of Quest headsets because they're really good headsets. But it's clear even when you go to the Oculus homepage that the Quest is mentioned first. Now, PC VR hardware is the best. I don't think anybody can deny that in terms of raw power, more detailed experiences, and the opportunity to deliver a lot more realism. But developing PC VR experiences is expensive, and more people are buying mobile VR, so we have the chicken and the egg situation all over again. So how can Oculus sell more PC VR software without selling more headsets? Aha! And thus the Oculus Link cable was born. Blossom, Bubbles and Buttercup with one move, Oculus potentially doubled their VR market for PC VR titles, and now they're just sitting on the beach earning 20%. At $8 for a cable, I bet they're earning a lot more than 20%. Yeah. Their focus primarily isn't about which headset to sell, it's about selling the most software, which is always more profitable. The Rift S is far from abandoned because without it you can't have the best experience from PC VR from Oculus. But if that's the case, why are all the new features coming to the Quest rather than the S? Well, remember when I said more people are buying mobile VR? And more people are buying mobile VR. That's why there is a much larger user base to test with, and a lot of these features are still experimental. So the more users who test it, the faster they can make bug fixes, make improvements, fix glitches, all of the software stuff before porting it to other devices. Trying to fix two different systems at once, especially considering they have different camera arrangements, is a lot of extra work. Plus, if it works on the Quest, it should be fairly easier to port it to a more powerful system. Anyway, that's how I feel about this. If you think different or the same, let me know below. But like it or not, this does show a clear indication of Oculus's plans for future hardware. Rift 2, or whatever it's going to be called, has to be a combination of the best of mobile and the best of PC. And by that, I mean it would have to have amazing optics, comfort, and fully mobile, but have all of the PC features when you plug it in, without compression. But whatever headset you have, I'll see you in Half-Life Alyx. And until next time, keep fragging. I'm going to put this update, what's coming next section at the end of this video, so if you're happy with what you've got, you can take that home with you. That's safe. That's in the bank. You can have that. But what's coming next is I'm going to be making a lot more Oculus game reviews. I want to do it properly, and I want to get it set up right. I want to do the whole mixed reality video where you put yourself in the VR game. So as soon as I've got that set up down, then expect some of those. There's going to be a lot more VR content and a lot more techie stuff this year as well. If there's anything you want to see in particular, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I've done that bit already. Yeah, so just bye then, I guess.